Hello and welcome back one more time to the chocolate bar review. Today we're discussing Cadbury's Crunchie. Woo! Now to be honest, full disclosure, Crunchie is not my favourite chocolate bar. So what I've done is I've got an independent judge who will hopefully give us a bit more feedback and a bit more of an objective view on the matter. I'm going to open it now and take a look. Crunchie, of course, introduced to the market in 1929. It's a very old bar. It's honeycombed chocolate. You look there. See the golden honeycomb? Covered in delicious milk chocolate. That's our independent judge there. Okay. Very sweet. A bit too crunchy for my liking, but let's see what that independent judge makes of it. What? What do you think? Chocolate bar review official score? Out of 10. Great. We'll see you next time. That's too much, no.